Hi guys and welcome back to my channel AI Elevate with Sheetal. In this video I am going to show you how you can make stunning YouTube setup background just by one click, and I hope you will like this video. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's start the video.
Link image creator web page. I will share the link in the description box. Here as you can see, certain images are already present. If you click on any of the image, you will see the prompt that has been entered by the user to create this image. So this is the prompt and this is the image. Enter your prompt and the image that you are looking for will be generated. So here I am entering a prompt like create an image of a YouTube studio room with a subtle neon board with statement in bold letters, Sheetal. Make sure that none of the letters are misspelled, and then I will just have to click on create. It will take some time to get created, and as you can see here were 14 credits, now it is 13, so that means you can only create this amount of credits. See, now 4 images are being created. As you can see, you can use this as your studio background. Then you can use an editing tool, add your video and add this as a background. So I will show you how I have done this using Canva. I have downloaded one background and added my video on the top, removed the background of my video, and I have merged these two together and see how it is looking now. So you can create such videos of yourself, so you won't be needing any high-end devices or gadgets. Simply by using your phone you can record yourself and use one of these studio backgrounds and create a video.
I hope you like this video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.